Hello everyone! This is the second part of the video tutorial how to crochet a high neck sleeveless top. In this video, I'll show you how to work front and back parts. Complete details about the project are available at interunit.com/crochet high neck sleeveless top. On this webpage you may share pictures of your work and ask questions if any. Repeat the 2-round pattern until you crochet to your underarms, then work a front part. Crochet your last round as your second round, then work rows instead of rounds. Turn your work to the wrong side. Insert the hook into the second chain from your hook and work single crochet 1, then work 3 more single crochets. Now work just 1 chain instead of 3, and again work single crochet 1 above triple crochet. And work single crochets to your last triple crochet. Between these triple crochets I worked just 1 chain. Now I will work regular way. Chain 3, skip 3, single crochets above triple crochets and double crochets. Between these triple crochets I work just 1 chain, then regular way 3, 3, 3 chains, and now I will work 1 chain again, just like here. Chain 1, skip 3, and single crochet 4. At the end of the row, work 1 returning chain. Second row, insert the hook into the third chain from your hook and work double crochet 16. After double crochet 16, work the pattern as usual. Cross triple crochets. Chain 1, single crochet 1, and so on. At the end of the second row, when you have just 2 chains left, work double crochet decrease. Third row, insert the hook into the second chain from your hook and work single crochet 18. Then work as usual, chain 3, skip 3, single crochet 15 3 times. After last single crochet 15, work 3 more single crochets, one returning chain and turn. Row 4. Insert the hook into the third chain from your hook and work double crochet 14. After double crochet 14, work the pattern as usual. Cross triple crochets 2 times double crochet 9 3 times. At the end of the fourth row, after last double crochet 9, work double crochet 4 and double crochet decrease. Row 5. Insert the hook into the second chain from your hook and work single crochet 16. Then continue working the pattern as usual. At the end of the row 5, after last single crochet 16, work one returning chain and turn. Row 6. Insert the hook into the third chain from your hook, then work double crochet 12, cross triple crochets and so on. At the end of the row 6, work double crochet 11 and double crochet decrease. Row 7. Insert the hook into the second chain from your hook, work single crochet 14, then work as usual chain 3, skip 3, single crochet 15 and so on. At the end of the row 7, after last single crochet 14, work one returning chain. Row 8. Insert the hook into the third chain from your hook, work double crochet 10, then cross triple crochets and so on. At the end of the row 8, work double crochet 9 and double crochet decrease. Row 9. Insert the hook into the second chain from your hook, work single crochet 12, then chain 3, skip 3 and so on. At the end of the row 9, after last single crochet 12, work 2 returning chains. Row 10. Insert the hook into the fourth chain from your hook, work double crochet 8, then cross triple crochets and so on. At the end of the row 10, after last double crochet 9, work one returning chain and then repeat the pattern starting from row 9. Again, insert the hook into the second chain from your hook, work single crochet 12 and so on. When you crochet 14 rows for the front part, use 10 chains and alternate single crochet and double crochet rows for the front shoulder part. To work the second front part, attach the yarn above last triple crochet, then chain 1 to pick up the height and work single crochet 10. At the end of the first row, work 2 returning chains and then alternate double crochet and single crochet rows, just like here. Here is the wrong side of the garment. To work the back part, attach the yarn above triple crochet chain, then chain 1 to pick up the height. After that, work single crochet 12, chain 3, skip 3 and so on. Work the pattern until you crochet 1 repeat before the front part. After last single crochet 11, work single crochet decrease. And 2 returning chains. Now work the 2 row pattern without decreasing chains. So work your row 2 as your row 10 of the front part, row 3 as row 11, and so on. Insert the hook into the first chain from your hook and work double crochets, then cross triple crochets, and just work regular way. Crochet 18 rows for the back part and then work a back shoulder part totally the same as a front shoulder part. Again, work your back shoulder piece totally the same as your front shoulder piece, then join the 2 pieces together on the wrong side of the garment. Just work double crochet row, joining them together. Work 1 slip stitch. Then work double crochet 1. And just work double crochets to end. In the third part of the video tutorial, I'll show you how to finish up the project.